Okay, so it's 10:25. I just got access to the house. I'm gonna go with Buddy, drop off some stuff. It's 10:25 p.m. Why I can't do this in the morning? No reason, but I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go drop off just a bookshelf and some very few things. Really, I just want to set up the access code and just look inside. So I'm so excited. This is the beginning of my journey. Come along, my new place. Love it. All right, my empty place. Love it. This is the first floor. Show you the backyard. Not too much grass, just enough for Buddy. Okay, this is gonna be my little, there we go. This is gonna be my, little kitchen area, like dining area. This is gonna be the living area. I just really love this kitchen. Love the gray cabinets. Love the light and wood floors. I think I said wood. You know what I'm saying. On the appliances, I just realized I had a griddle, and I love that I have a gas range. Not like I really cook, but also love this microwave. This will get used. Fridge is okay. Can't complain. There's no ice maker, but that sucks. I guess I have to get a nice fancy one. Love the pantry, especially all this extra space that they realized underneath the stairs. Let's go look upstairs. Oh wait. Okay. Nice little closet. There are lights everywhere. Yeah, this is a little powder room. And there's actually like lights everywhere. Lights on lights on lights. Very cute. Isn't this the cutest thing? It's this little mud nook that they put by the garage. Love that. And also, this is kind of weird. Why is there a peephole here? There's not one at my front door, but there's one at my garage door. I don't understand. Do you want my light, Bubba? There we go. Are you excited? You excited, baby? Yeah, it's my new home. You want to look upstairs? You want to look outside first? Let's look outside. There's 3 locks on the door. I like that. This is such a decent sized backyard. Okay, buddy, don't potty though, because I don't think I have a bag. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, buddy, this is your backyard now. Yeah. I can't. So excited. He's never had a backyard. Yeah. Even though we live next to a dog park, so technically this is a downgrade. But it's fine, it's our downgrade, but it's our downgrade. Oh, okay, so you don't even, hold on, you lock the door, buddy. Don't come in, come on, you can go. I just need to, come on, you can go. This is my room, I think. Yeah. This is my room, Bubba. Yeah. You excited? That's the bathroom. This is gonna be your room? What you smell? Maybe I'll put your dog bed here, one of them. So I don't know what to do with that space because I don't want to put a desk here. Any suggestions on what to do with this space? Because I don't know about y'all, but I don't want to just face a wall when I'm doing work. I don't know. A half a wall at that. Yo, look at my closet. Look at my closet. Like, you like it, Betty? It's a big upgrade. Yeah. I love it. I love it so much. Like, so much. It's a little amazing. Yeah. Yeah, Bubba, that's my closet. That's not your closet. That's my closet, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna look at the bathroom. Where's the light? Let's find the light. I'm looking a little homely, so let's go past me. There's the toilet. There's the vanity. I love how much counter space this bathroom has. The one downside of living here, there is no tub. What shall I do? The other bathroom has like, okay, I'm coming. It has like this type of tub, which to me, I'm used to a garden tub. So what am I gonna do with this? You know? But still grateful, so happy. I'll make it work. But yeah, this is this bathroom. I don't know why I thought there was something over here. And this is the third bedroom. Hey, Bubba. Yeah, that's the laundry room, buddy. That's the laundry room. This is gonna sound silly, but I just realized that I have an attic. So it's like attic light. Okay, I'm not going up there ever, but that's cool. Today's the day. Okay, it is done. I'm all out. Paid for the cleaning service, so I don't have to clean. Bubba, you ready to go? so happy to be out. It is so late. It's like 9 something. So, all right, buddy, let's go. Let's go to our new home. Buy apartment. This is Buddy's last run. I know you want to go outside and play one last time. I know. Okay, so I just have to say, I'm in love. Seeing my decor. Yeah, I have the filter on because I look crazy. Seeing my decor, my new place, I just feel so inspired, so happy. I have so many ideas. Can't wait for y'all to see me execute them, but I am in love. So happy. So I unleashed the cat. Where is she? Where are you, cat? There you are. Where's the light? I need to want to stay here. There you go. This is our new home. She's on high alert. I know. Yeah, that's a chair. Is she gonna go outside? Also, I'm gonna not paint, but like get wood to help with this chair. I don't know about changing out the pad, like the chair pad anytime soon because my cat just loves sitting on it. So I might change it out when guests come, but whatever. Okay, this is how it's looking right now. We'll still see. Okay, I'm at my grocery store. I really want to just get wine, flowers, and chocolate. Trying to find just something that speaks to me that's not too expensive. But I don't know. I think, let's see the prices. I actually do like this one. This one's kind of, let me see, between these two. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, let's get it. Okay, we are back home. These are the flowers I decided on, and the wine and the chocolate. Okay, my first visitor. Welcome!
Thank you.
Oh,
you got a camera.
Come in, buddy.
Oh, it's so beautiful, girl.
Buddy, come in, come in.
Oh, it's great.
Thank you, buddy, come in.
What more do you need to buy me?
Come in. Okay, buddy, get in the house. I'll walk you later. Okay, so let me show you my vision.
What is that?
Every time the door closes, it locks.
This will scare me.
Okay, so I need a rug.
Oh, yeah.
And then like a little console table. But I want to do like, what is it called? I want to do a console table as a console behind here. So I want a console table so I could put like a lamp, and then I could also use it as a desk.
Yes.
So that's what I really need, a rug and a console table and a coffee table and like a thin, narrow media stand.
Yes.
But yeah, but outside that, I love this. This is done.
Yeah, I like that.
Love that little vignette. And then once I get that, then this will be done.
Yeah.
Yay!
That's great.
I'm so happy. But he's so happy to see you. And they just mounted it today.
Well, it's good. People ever did it.
Huh?
People ever did it.
Yeah, it's the person who does Lisa, so.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
Okay, it's washer and dryer day.
With no what? Okay, now.
Looks so pretty.
Just leave them known for recycle, okay?
Okay.
And then you can start using it.
Okay. It's fine to run without anything in it?
Yeah, just leave it like that for 15 minutes,
Okay.
24 minutes.
And it's connected to water and everything. It's good to go?
Everything's good to go, man.
Yay!
Everything's fine right here.
Okay, so it's all installed. Look at how gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous. I never thought I would be so excited for an appliance buy. Like, now if I wasn't, I'm not even tall, but I'm 5'7", but this is not an issue. But if I was shorter, this would be a little bit of an issue. But, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Just wash it a little. It's perfect. It's perfect.